Guys, I'm going to show you how to make this wonderful Irish coffee coming up. Alright, so today we're going to do a simple, easy drink. It's Irish coffee. Now, I want to give away off of Chef Johnny's channel, Texas style barbecue and cuisine. I'll put a link down below in the side card. Alright, and it's for the Ranch Hand Blend by Bison Union Coffee. Alright, check it out. Everything you buy, they donate to. When you buy the Ranch Hand Blend, they don't donate a portion to the WRCA, okay? The Working Ranch Cowboys Association. All right, so it's a good cause. It's gonna be some great coffee. All right, come on back and let's put this thing together. So right here we're grinding the coffee beans in my little grinder. Put the grounds in the French press. Poured in 4 cups worth of hot water. After I put the hot water in, I let it sit for about 5 minutes. Pull the plunger down slowly. You're good to go. All right, to start this thing off, we have a rocks glass. I do not have a fancy coffee cup thing, so this is the way we're gonna roll. All right, so to start this thing off, we're gonna do 1 ounce of Bushmills whiskey. So I have this very cool shot glass that shows how many ounces. All right, we're gonna use 1 ounce, so we're gonna put this in there. All right, should probably tie it, make sure it's okay. It's okay. All right, so we're pouring that in. Right, I'm gonna do 1 ounce of simple syrup. Now, simple syrup is just simple. It is 1 part sugar to equal part water, or sorry, equal part hot water. Okay, so I used half a cup of sugar, half a cup of hot water, poured it over. It's good to go. Okay, just let it dissolve. Put it in a fancy little squirt bottle. So we're gonna do 1 ounce of that. Okay, pour it in. All right, we got our nice freshly brewed coffee here. I'm gonna pour, I'd say about that much in there. You know we gotta have some whipped cream. All right, there's the drink. All right, so we're gonna try this bad boy. Oh, that's good. That's real good. That'll warm your soul. Good stuff, good stuff. Hey, some of that whipped cream. Got it. That's good stuff. All right, so that's it. I just finished up some of that coffee, feeling no pain right now. So, clean up my cutting board, showed the finished product. I don't know what else there is to do. I appreciate y'all stopping by. And you know, as always, thanks for, well, this time drinking with CJ. Take care now. It worked, finally. Hey guys, welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ. This is my entry into Steve's Not Another Cooking Show challenge. So hashtag. All right, I don't know how you do this, Steve. What up? Can you see me? Yeah, so what you've seen thus far is the actual video. Now this is more onto like the blooper time and having some fun. But I hope you enjoyed, you know, the effort that I put into this one. And yeah, I already feel like my knees are ready to break, and I'm not enjoying this. I don't want to duck down anymore. All right. All right, come on back. And why the hell is he wearing a beanie indoors? I don't get it, Steve. I'm sweating like crazy right now. I know it's colder in New York, but geez, I need to get one moment. Much better, more comfy. Got some fun with this one. Hope you guys enjoyed this far. Stick around. Fine Irish whiskey. It actually sounded reggae. It's Irish. But I'm not Irish. All right. And you know we got some whipped cream. We got some whipped cream in this bad boy. I guess I'm just a big kid right now. Take two. One more again for good measure. We'll get this sooner or later. I think that might have worked. I don't know how I'm gonna edit this thing together. I don't know, man. Steve, you put out a pretty good challenge here, man. I don't know. I hope I did good by you, brother. All right.